प्लॅनिंग करून हांगा येवपाचें टॉसाक. इमिजिएट हांगा टॉस जालो म्हणटकीर तुमचें डिसिजन जावपाक जाय, कित्याक दुसरे टिमीक तयारी करपाक टायमूय मेळपाक जाय. बाबा तुमच्या डिसिजनाचेर सगळे अवेलेबल अवलंबून आसता. सो हांगा टायम वेस्ट करचो न्ही. टॉस जालो, कॅप्टनान इमिजिएट आपलें डिसिजन दिवपाक जाय. सपोज कॅप्टनान 2 मिनटां भितर डिसिजन दिवना जाल्यार टॉस आमी दुसरे टिमीक मागीर दितले आनी तेंचे डिसिजन घेतले. So let's stick to the discipline of this game and play this game with a disciplined manner. जी डिसिप्लिन क्रिकेटीची हळूहळू गेल्या ती आतां आमी परत हाडया. सगळे टिमीनी सपोर्ट केल्यारूच आमी हांगा ती डिसिप्लिन परत हाडपाक शकतले. बरो टुर्नामेंट आसा आनी एक बरे प्रोफेशनल अशें खेळया. असो चान्स परत परत मेळना आमकां. वर्ल्ड वायड टुर्नामेंट मातशें कमीच आसा, कित्याक म्युनिसिपालिटी पंचायत टुर्नामेंट खूब जातात आनी आमकां युट्यूबार लायव्ह खेळपाकूय खूब चान्सीस कमी आसतात. सो हांगा ती डिसिप्लीन दवरया. आनी जाता इतले बेगीन मागता श्रीकृष्णा आपली फिल्डिंग सेट करची. साई कृष्णा कॅप्टन. आनी कॅप्टन नोट कर, जशे अंपायर थंय पावले 16 मिनटां मेळटात तुमकां. 16 मिनटांनी जर तुमचे 4 ओव्हरी जावना जाल्यार अंपायर्स आहा ते थंय डिसायड करतले कितें करपाचें. तुमची मिटींग बी कितें आसती, टॉस जातकीर इमिजिएट डिसिजन घेवन भायल्यानूच करून येवपाक जाय. सो जजीस आसात तेंच्या हातीन सगळे सोंपयला ऑर्गनायझरांनी. सो हांगा प्लेयर बी येवना जाल्यार आमी रावचे नात कोणाक. टॉस जालो, मॅच स्टार्ट जाता तेन्ना इमिजिएट तुमचो फील्ड सेटअप जावपाक जाय. आनी एक टिमीक फक्त 16 मिनटां मेळटली 4 ओव्हरी कंप्लीट करपाक, ना जाल्यार पेनल्टीज आसा त्यो लागू जातल्यो. सो अंपायर्स आसात तेंच्या वॉचीर ते टायम ते नोट करतात. जेन्ना अंपायरान लेट्स प्ले म्हणलें थंयच्यान टायम तुमचो सुरू. आनी अंपायरान म्हाका दिसता हांगा टायम स्टार्ट केला. सो मागता फिल्डिंग सायड टायम वेस्ट करचो न्ही. आमी तो जो टायम वेस्ट करपाचो प्रकार आसा तो ह्या टुर्नामेंटाक आमी बंद करतात. कित्याक आतांचे जे नवीन भुरगे जे भायर सरता तांकां आमी डिसिप्लीन कितें आसता ती सामकी शिकोवया, ना जाल्यार अशेंच आमी टायम वेस्ट करीत रावतले. सो रोखडेच आमी स्टार्ट जातात. अंपायरान हांगा सिग्नल दाखयल्लो आसा, स्कोरराक विचारलो म्हणटकीर टायम सेट जालो आनी सारकी 11:30 जाल्यात. सो हांगाच्यान तुमकां 16 मिनटां मेळटली. टायम ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट जाल्लो आसा. जितलो टायम डिले करतले तुमची मिनटां वेस्ट जातली. Kasim with the first delivery, good delivery right into the block hole. Starts with a confident manner, although they are a short of a fielder. Only 10 players are playing nonetheless. Bowler finally starts the inning. Oh my dear, there's a wonderful strike, chance of a catch. Paresh under the ball, he judges it well but could not hold on. And meanwhile he has touched the rope. 6 is the decision from the umpire. There's a sixer to start the proceedings by Akash. Akash on the striking end, 6 runs on the board. Another wonderful strike, the chance of a catch. Ball is racing towards the long on area. 2 fielders after the ball. Meanwhile, the fielder from the circle gathers the ball. Couple is the call and 2 runs. They take it comfortably. With these 2 runs, a score moves to 8. First over in progress. And finally, the 11th player is onto the field. It's none other than Mr. Lazy Vipal. Now he has got a responsibility on his shoulder, married recently, so we can understand why he is late. Sunday market is the very famous market in the Saturday. Meanwhile, there's a wonderful strike, Raja, and he doesn't miss the lucky factor of Sai Krishna. Raja grabs the catch, and the first wicket goes down. Dangerous looking. Akash departs. The individual score of 8 and also team score is 8. So the man in is Raymond. And as the flamboyant Whipple has arrived on the ground, and that concludes the first wicket. His arrival makes a statement. Wonderful strike towards Whipple for another single. Raymond opens his account with that single. I beg pardon, Ajay opens his account. Now Raymond is on the striking end. Raymond is also a very good all-rounder, a decent bowler. I have seen him performing at numerous occasions. Meanwhile, he was not ready. That's why a dead ball has been signaled by the umpire. Kasim not giving much time for the incoming batsman. Delivers much quicker. So now Raymond is ready. Low full toss, wonderful strike. Chance of a catch. Oh my dear, missed by Megu. He is a safe fielder, but ball went little higher above his head. That's a boundary. Boundary taking the total to 13. So that concludes the first over. After completion of one, score is 13 for the loss of one wicket. And Raymond has opened his account with a boundary. So let's see who is about to deliver the second. It's none other than Whipple. Till couple of months back he was master, and now he has become Mr. Whipple with the ball setting the field. Whipple फक्त 16 मिनिटां मेळ्ळा एक इनिंगाक. टाइम वेस्ट केला जाल्यार पेनल्टी पडटली. आतां मातसो तुका एक्टिव्ह जावपाक पडटा. Oh my dear, first delivery wide. If the batsman get to even get a nick onto the delivery, then definitely the ball would have raced towards the fine leg. Meanwhile, a wide taking the total to 14. People gradually onto his run-up mark. So far, 6 minutes over of the allotted time. There's a strong strike for another single. Single taking the total to 15. Another wide, way away from the target. Whipple missing the line. Maybe playing after a couple of months makes the player to be little rusty, and that rustiness is seen in Whipple's bowling. Another full toss, but on to the stumps. So that's the end of Raymond. Second wicket back to the pavilion. New man in is Shashi, jersey number 37, will be on the striking end. A low full toss would have been dispatched outside the boundary rope, but no connection between bat and ball. Finally makes the timber to shake. Bales goes off on the roll. So Whipple looking confident after those wides, managed to get a wicket. Another good pitch delivery, cuts the ball towards the third man fielder for a single. Another strong strike toward the covers. There's no fielder. Fielder is at Sweeper and a long off. Meanwhile, a strong throw, but could not stop the couple of runs with these 2 runs. Score is 19. Second over in progress. 19 onto the board. Another swing of the bat, no connection, allows the ball to travel to the keeper safely. And second over is in progress. Final delivery of the second over. Whipple onto his run-up mark gradually, thinking what to deliver next. But even the captain's eye will be on the clock. Another good swing, but ball has been pitched down the leg stump. Wide is the signal. With that, score moves to 20. Another wonderful strike along the carpet towards the cow corner area. Paresh gathers the ball. Another single to end the second over. After completion of 2, score is 21 for the loss of 2 wickets. Let's see who is going to be the third bowler. It's none other than the magical Raja. So requesting the temporary team manager of Sai Krishna, Kalpesh, please come in the commentary box. You are required. So Raja, right arm around the stumps. Again delivers, but outside the off stump, wide. And Kalpesh is another budding commentator, trying to gain little confidence, but don't worry, we are there to help you. And you will be hearing Kalpesh after this over. Meanwhile, a wonderful strike to take the ball out of the mid-wicket area. No chance for any fielder rather than watching the ball sailing above his head. And the birthday boy raises his hands to signal that it is a sixer. Main umpire Sachin Desai, very happy birthday to you, and I'm not going to spare you tonight. Meanwhile, the sixer taking the total to 28. Another hit, oh my dear, what a connection. The ball has been raised out of the orbit, finally lands on the roof, and that's a biggie. Second sixer from the bat of Ajay. Thank you, DJ. Party will be told by Sachin Desai later, but here's a party is on the ground. Ajay doing the much collateral damage. 2 biggies so far. And a change in pace works as Raja decides to come over the stumps from round the stumps. Change in the side as well as a change in pace works for Raja, and that's the dot ball. A short reply by Raja. I'm not going to give you things that easy. But Ajay looks to be very confident. Another connection, but again a change of pace does the trick for Raja. Two is the call, running very hard. Throw should be towards the striker's end because Ajay has taken the late start. Nonetheless, couple of runs taken to take the total to 36. Ajay looking very confident, swinging the blade as hard as possible, but the connection is proper. That's why he has been able to score 2 sixes. Contest is on, challenge is on. Low full toss, meanwhile the chance of a catch. Magical boy has done it. Paresh under the ball. Oh my dear. Can't trust my eyes what I've seen. Paresh is a very safe fielder, but he could not hold on. Happens in the game of cricket. and that a couple of runs takes the total to 38. And a change in pace, wonderful strike. Big guy won't be able to reach near the ball. Meanwhile, two is the call. They are running very hard. A strong throw from Arjun Jomali towards the keeper. And a couple of runs taking the total to 40. And that's also end of the third over. So now handing over mic to junior commentator Kalpesh.
प्रणव न्यू बॉलर बऱ्यातलं बरं शॉट आणि एक रन परत एकदा अजय स्ट्रायकर प्रणव टू अजय आउटसाइड एज आणि तिथलाही बरं अटेम्प्ट फ्रॉम कीपर डॉट बॉल बऱ्यातली बरी बॉलिंग फ्रॉम प्रणव फोर्थ ओवर इन प्रोग्रेस once again another dot ball but आणि मिस फिल्डिंग आणि रनआउट चान्स आशिल्लो तो मिस केला प्रणवान once again a very good shot by Ajay and it's a 6. The score moves on to 49 runs. And last ball of the first innings coming up. Once again Ajay on strike looking to finish big. And another very good delivery but umpire has called it a wide. And in between a run out. Trying to so new man in Adarsh but he will be on the non-strikers end. Meanwhile Pranav coming with the final delivery of the first innings. Let's see. Another very good delivery, equally well played. Raja collecting the ball and trying to concede another run and it's out. So only one run on the final ball and the total score moves on to 51 runs. So Sai Krishna need 52 runs from 4 overs. Requesting the fielding team please set their field. And also requesting the batsmen from Sai Krishna to please send their batsmen. "52 runs required from 4 overs. Requesting both the batsmen. Captain of Sai Krishna team, please send their batsmen. 52 runs required in 4 overs for Sai Krishna. And lot will depend on the opening batsmen, how they start the second innings. So the opening batsmen will be Vipal and Nagesh for Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna need 52 runs from 4 overs. And opening bowling will be Raymond. Raymond for Royal Warriors. Lot will depend on the opening batsman if they want to chase this target. Lot will depend on Vipal. Meanwhile, the next match will be played between Sai Brothers and Dream 11, requesting captain of both the teams to kindly assemble near the pendle for the toss. So the first ball of the second innings and equally well played by Vipal. A very good pull shot and the ball races towards the fence for 4 runs. Very good shot from Vipal. Shuffled across the stumps and equally well played. Towards deep square leg. Another low full toss, well played towards the long off, long on. Raymond is a very good bowler. Not going to give loose deliveries. Nagesh on strike, let's say. Well played inside edge, running towards the fence. The fine leg and well fielded. Well fielded there by the youngster. The score moving on nicely, 6 runs. Once again, Raymond, 2 people. Pitch delivery, equally well played. Fielder collecting the ball and another run completed in between. Score is moving on slowly and steadily. Score moves on to 7. Once again, Raymond. This time Nagesh on strike. Another ball trying to heave on the leg side. But both the batsman and the keeper are single. I thought it was a bye. Yeah, but the batsman got inside edge and they have collected another run. Once again, Raymond. Another very well played. And wave throw now, but well backed up by the fielder. And after the completion of first over, the score is 9 runs for the loss of no wickets. And it's very pleasing to see Mr. Chandresh Desai in our commentary panel. DJ.
So target is of 52, second over in progress. Sudhakar, the bowler, meanwhile there's a chance and oh my god. This is the second drop that I have seen from my eyes. Second drop of the day and that too a easy chance. One was dropped by Paresh in the first inning, now Sudhakar onto his own bowling. And there's a strong connection, but won't be able to reach it towards the boundary. Meanwhile, a fielder from the deep gathers the ball for a single. Vipul, the batsman, takes a single to come at the non-striker's end. And Nagesh is on striking end. Score moves to 10. Low full toss, but was above the waist height. No ball is the signal from the umpire. So a single and a no ball. Total 2 runs, taking the total to 12 and even a free hit offered. Sudhakar looks to be taking little pressure at this moment. Even a warning has been given to him as one Bhima has been bowled. Short pitch delivery, Vipul strikes, fielder under the ball, but it was off a free hit. So wicket won't be awarded as it was a free hit. But a single in the total, taking the total to 13. Another short pitch delivery, Nagesh strikes, but towards the fielder at the mid wicket. For another single, direct hit at the striker's end, but Vipul was right inside the crease. Another single, taking the total to 14. Another strike, but along the carpet. So far, Sai Krishna dealing in singles. Not any intent of really scoring some runs. Vipul is looking at the commentary box, maybe watching Chandresh Desai to gain some confidence. Meanwhile, a lovely strike from the bat of Nagesh, but there's a fielder at the sweeper onto his feet, very quick, gathers the ball, throws it back to the bowler. Meanwhile, single to end the second over after completion of 2. Score is 16 without any loss of wicket. All the 10 wickets are with Sai Krishna. And Vipul, I think, needs a change of bat. Maybe that bat is little heavy, which troubling his right wrist. But he's at the non-striker's end. Nagesh on the striking end. Let's see who is the bowler. Akash, the opener, is now bowling the third over. Starts with a short pitch, but way outside the off stump. Buddy boy stretches his arms. That's a wide, taking the total to 17. There's intents are now clear. 12 legal deliveries are remaining in this match. Nagesh trying very hard, but not getting the proper connection, and rather the elevation. Meanwhile, takes a single to give the strike to Vipul. Score moves to 18. Vipul swings the bat very hard. There's a fielder intact, patrolling the fence at the mid wicket. Throws the ball towards the bowler. Another single. Score gradually is moving to 19. Third over in progress. So far 19 on the board. Again, Nagesh wanted to cut the ball, but ball kept little low as per the expectation of him. No connection. Allows the ball to travel safely to the keeper. And Akash delivering in the right areas. Short pitch delivery, wanted to hit the ball towards the covers and no connection. Consecutive 2 dot balls bowled by Akash. He has studied the wicket very well while batting and now delivering in the right areas. There's a strike chance of a catch. Fielder from the mid wicket won't be able to reach near the ball. Collects the ball on the second bounce. Another single. Now score is moved to 20. Third over in progress. Score is 20. Another strike towards the long on. Vipal moving on to the back foot for another single. That single takes the total to 21. And that's end of the third over. Requesting the captain of Sai Brothers kindly come for toss. As the captain of Dream 11 is already here. सगळे प्लॅन करून हांगा टॉस जातकीर हांगाच तुमचे डिसिजन आसता दिवपाचें आसा कॅप्टनाक टायम मेळचो ना सो मॅच रेफरी इज आउट Kalpesh doing numerous roles on today's day. He was a team manager, as a commentator, and now the match referee. Perfect all-rounder, I must say, out of the ground. Tails is the call. Here it is. Dream 11, kindly give a decision. Fielding, okay. Meanwhile, the fourth over is on. Bhanudas the bowler with jersey number 33. And 5 illegal deliveries remaining and 31 runs to get. There's the first strike, but straight to Akash. Akash is not going to miss. Receives the catch safely. So meanwhile, just number 41, the big guy on the striking end. Samay. Swings the bat very hard. No connection, allows the ball to travel to the keeper. Meanwhile, the time is not with Sai Krishna as Samay is on striking end. Connects the ball straight down the ground towards the long off area with the horizontal bat to take a single to bring Nagesh on the striking end. And this looks to be a comfortable victory for Royal Warriors, played royally. And about to finish this match royally. Meanwhile, a wide has been delivered. That single takes the total to 23. About 29 to win, but it is very, very far away from the batting side. Meanwhile, a wonderful strike. No chance for any fielder rather than stopping the ball inside the boundary rope. Another single takes the total to 24. So final delivery of the inning. Let's see whether Samay can hit 1-6 just to boost his confidence because more matches are to be played. Swings the bat very hard. Chance of a catch. Akash, oh my dear, what a lovely judge catch. Move towards his left side. And that's the end of the match. Requesting Dream 11 captain to kindly set your field as fast as possible. Dream 11 has won the toss and they will be fielding first. So captain of Dream 11, kindly take your fielders as quick as possible on the ground. And even the openers of Sai Brothers. दोन्ही टीमीच्या प्लेयरांक मागता हांगा डगआउटान येवन बसचे कंपल्सरीली तुमचे साहित्य जे कितें आसा एक्स्ट्रा प्लेयर सपोर्टर्स कोणी आसा सगळे डगआउटान जाय दोन्ही टीमीचे प्लेयर्स पयलीं डगआउटान येतले आनी मागीर हांगच्यान वतले फिल्डिंग साइड कॅप्टनान बाकीचे एक्स्ट्रा प्लेयर डगआउटान धाडपाक जाता तुमचे फील्ड थंय सेट करात बॅटिंग टीम हांगा डगआउटान येवपाचें आसा